when you create A plus content, just like we do Amazon ad, anything about marketing as far as the Amazon is concerned, you do it for market. You do it for different markets. So you can do for the US market, for the UK market, Canada market, and all of that. So you have created A plus content for the United States market. The challenge is that if you go to UK market, your customers won't see that A plus content. So you create A plus content for specific market. So to do for other market, all you just have to do is to click on what? Switch marketplace. So you choose the market you want to do for at this time around. So let's say you want to do for UK. So you click on UK and then you click open marketplace, and then it would require that you sign in. So you just click on sign in and all of that, and it will take you to that marketplace where you will now create A plus content for it. Similarly, if you are doing for ad, you also log into that marketplace where you want to run that ad for. So it's the same approach, and the same logic applies to every section, so to every marketplace. So now we are in the UK market. So in the UK market, there is no A plus content here. So you can click on what? Start creating. So when you click on start creating, all you just have to do is to give it a name. So I'm still working on this. So I click on this, the name, Lost Book of Herbal Remedy, the title of your book. You can make it the name of the content, right? So you click on add module. So when you click on add module, you choose how you want the images to be displayed. So I want it to be displayed in this manner. So I pick this one. I go to the section. I add the image that I want for this section. I drag it to how I want it to be. And then the Lost Book of Herbal Remedy. So Lost Book of Herbal remedies. So here's it. Here's a keyword. So I just click add. So for the headline, I already copied the headline the other time, right? So you go back to where do we have it? Okay, ChatGPT, right? So ChatGPT, let me go to ChatGPT. Okay, so your health naturally and all of that. So we copy this. All right, so let me just copy all of this. So these are the informations you'll be using. So let me practically use them now so that you get to understand what we are talking about. So I copy these two. I go back to this section, paste this, the headline. For the headline, here's the headline. So I paste it as well. And then, okay, so ensure you read through this to make sure that you're not saying anything that goes against your policies and all of that. So I will click on add another module. So the next module is that I want to have stuff like this. I want to have images. Any module you pick, you use it in that same format. So okay, let's say I want to have something like this. So I'll add all the images that I want. So I'll go to my Hava A plus content. So here are all the images that I have there. So I just pick this, I add this up, then I add the relevant keyword. Uh, so you drag, if this image is not well positioned, you can zoom it to your satisfaction, something like this. So click add, you come over here, you add a second image. Let's say I want to add this one, click add, then you zoom it to the extent you want it to be, zoom, and then you drag, you paste in the keyword as relating to this, add, then you add the next image, go back to your work, copy the image that you have there, you add, you zoom to your satisfaction, you paste in the relevant keyword for that. I'm just using the same keyword because I didn't have much time to search out for certain keywords and all of that. So exceed 100 megabytes. So I won't use this image. I will copy another image here. Okay, so let me use this image. All right, so I will increase it a little. All right, this look okay, perfect. I drag it to this point and then I paste this, add the relevant keyword. Boom, this is it. So The next thing is this headline and all that. So remember, I showed us how to generate the content we use here using ChatGPT. So I'll come here, expertly crafted ever solution. So I'll just copy this. This is what I want to use. I copy this. I paste the headline there. I go back there. I copy the content. This is what I want to use. I copy it and then I paste the content here. So for the next image, I copy this comprehensive guide to healing. So I copy this, paste the headline here, go back, copy this stuff. Make sure you give thought into all of this process, because if you don't do that, you end up creating something that doesn't correlate. So I'm just doing this fast because it's a tutorial and I don't really want it to be too lengthy. So copy this out. You go back to the next section. You paste the headline and then you go back there. You copy this one. You go back and then you add it up.